Assalamualaikum. Today we will present to you about IoT, secure, efficient and comfortable home automation SECHA system. My name is Muhammad Faris bin Mustafa.
My name is Capstone Project.
My name is Siti Sarah bin Abdul Hadi.
And I'm Sharfana Jihan with IC.
Okay, for the first module, which is the security module, we have 4 main parts, which is the password of the system by using 4x4 keypad, which is placed at the main entrance of the door of the house. We also use the IR sensor, which is placed at every windows and the entrance of the house. For the PIR sensor, we will use it to detect the unusual movement around the house, to prevent robbery and okay. So for the buzzer, it will use when the sensor detect the unusual movement, and it will alert the house owner and the neighborhood. Basically, the system will be connected to the GSM module to give a message to the owner of the house. Okay, for the circuit, we will use the 4x4 keypad, the LCD to display the result and the microcontroller, which is Mega 32A. This is the flowchart. When the system is start, it will initialize the microcontroller, and when the user enter the password, if the password is correct, it will provide access to the house, and if the user enter incorrect password, it will alert the owner by sending the SMS to the owner, and the alarm of the house will be activated. Yes. This is the circuit diagram for the alarm system using PIR sensor. This is our PIR sensor. It will be connected to the microcontroller, and we also add the GSM module. This is our speaker to alert the neighbor and the house owner. Okay. For the PIR sensor, for the flowchart using PIR sensor interfacing GSM module, when the system start, it will initialize the microcontroller, and the sensor will detect unusual movement. If it detects the unusual movement, it will give alert to the house owner by sending the SMS through GSM, and the alarm will be activated to alert the house owner and the neighbor.
Okay, for the next module is the energy and water monitoring module. So I'm going to explain first about the energy monitoring module, where this is the design schematic of this module. It consists of a few block circuit, where we can see there is energizing circuit, the control circuit, voltmeter, ammeter, power factor, reset circuit, and the LCD interfacing circuit, where all of these circuit will connected to one microprocessor, which is the Mega 328. Okay, so this is the broad diagram of energy module meter, and this is the flow chart of energy module meter. Okay, when we start the system, the first one, the energized circuit will energize the electric load. Then the measurement of power consumption data in electric meter will done at this moment, and then the power consumption information will display on the LCD 16x2. Okay, then the system is finished, and this is the flow chart of energy meter, where we have to consider two pin. The first pin is the pin from the voltage, and the second pin is from the current. So this combination of voltage and current will produce the power value, which is the power equals to voltage times current. Okay, so this is the water monitoring module, where if you can see right here, we are using the transistor as the switch, and we have a few level of wiring system where we know that water is a very good conductor of electricity. So when there is water passing through this wiring, the transistor will switch on and the LED will light up. So if we can see here, if the level of water is at this state, all the LED will light up. But if there is decreasing level of water, one by one of the LED will turn off. And then lastly, when this A wiring system turn off, this means that the water tank is in a critical state. Okay, so this is for the water monitoring module. So the block diagram of water monitoring module, when we start filling the tank with water, the water level touch the sensing wire and those will light up the LED. And for the flowchart of water monitoring module, when the water fill in the tank, then the water will touch the wire, it will light up the LED. But if it doesn't touching the wire, it will still circulating at this state.
For climate module, we use two main sensors, which is the LDR and LM35. LDR is for to detect the light and LM35 for detect temperature. So we use LDR because we want to switch off and switch on the light in the house, and for LM35 we use it for switch off and on the fan. These are used to save the electricity energy in the house. So basically this is the flowchart for the LDR, which it detects lights and then it will send signal to the Arduino, and the Arduino will send signal to relay to light up the bulb for LED. So this is the schematic diagram for the LDR system. It connected with LED, transistor, LDR, and also else. And for the next is LM35. This is the flowchart where it detects temperature and then it will send signal to the LM35 and send to the Arduino or the microcontroller chip, and will send the signal to the fan. And this is the schematic diagram for the LM35, which we will use the LCD to show the temperature in the house, and connected with temperature sensor, and also we connected with the fan. For this model we use propeller, RC propeller.
So the next module is a communication module. So as you can see in the schematic diagram, this module require GSM module, SIM GSM module 1900A, IC, LCD, and other component. They also require a power supply, and it does not necessarily need LCD to function. And this GSM module can interface with other sensor. So this is a flowchart of the GSM module. First the change of parameter is sensed by sensor, and then it will interface with AVR microcontroller, and then if the changing of the parameter below the threshold, it will repeat the step above. If not, it will interface with GSM module and it will send SMS to owner to alert the owner. The last module is Islamic teacher module. This is include a few features, such as it has a gender-based spatial organization where the sibling that have different gender will have their own room and will have their own privacy. And then the placement of toilet will also will not face kiblat. And then this smart home will also have a prayer room that has its own ablution room, which is situated far away from toilet to avoid fish from toilet being brought into prayer room.
So this is the hardware modeling for the water monitoring module system. So we have 3 LED right here. When we fill the tank with water, okay, slowly fill the water. One by one of the LED will light up. It depends on the length of the wire. So the first LED is light up, the second one is light up. Then the last one is light up. So these 3 LED indicate the water in the tank is full already. There you go. The light from the LED will turn off, which will indicate the water usage from the water tank. So if you can see, the first LED is turned off already, which means the water in the water tank is decreasing. Then the second LED is also turned off. Okay, the third LED is turned off, indicating the water level in this tank is exceeded in usage.